It's been forever. I even forgot. Diama. I'm leaving the house. And I'm leaving you guys behind. It's giving Dinlashi. It's giving abandoned. It's giving I no longer know you.
Crazy,
Hey.
but I don't care. All that matters to me is
I put some ice on you 'cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty on go. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on the niggas.
Welcome back, guys. If you're new, please do subscribe and join the growls. If you're a returning growl, welcome back, growl. Today we're going to quite a busy day. We're gonna go check out washing machine. I did check it out last month, so today we're gonna get that. I'm so excited. Again, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, like the video, comment, and join the growls. I haven't had a wig on for almost 2 weeks now. I didn't have to put on makeup today, but then I was just like, I'm a girl and I want to feel like a girl. It's nothing much. As a result, I don't have no lashes on, so yeah, I am vlogging the rest of today on my TikTok. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, please do so. And if you are here, you're from TikTok, welcome, girl.
So that's your own button.
Yo, siphindele endlini. Uwasina ngodlubayo mna dilibele uba besithe sizaya ayephi. Guys, we're going to Ayep. We've been craving food from there, but we're not gonna sit in because I am not dressed for the place. They are not going to allow me to bar. We're gonna have takeaway. We got the washing machine. They will be able to they will be able to deliver it today, later today or tomorrow. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. I'm happy as long as we will no longer be taking no clothes to the laundromat. Okay, those ladies, they are so sweet, they are so nice, but bye bye, Sana-san. Bye. Bye, my babe. Bye. No more bus simpasya laundry up. Chin. Lemon lychee. We are at McDonald's to get something to drink. I want McFees. Otherwise, we did manage to get our food from Ayep, but then they didn't have mukhodu, so we got lamb stew. I am so hungry. I haven't eaten the whole day, so I'm going to eat now. Fumana kwami drink.
we don't do the lemon lychee mix anymore.
Okay.
Don't lemon lychee.
Lemon lychee.
No more lemon lychee, McDonald's. Sad. I'm so sad. Chakalaka and some sweet potato. This is sweet potato. They mashed sweet potato and I'm not here for it. I'm so sorry. So raspy and I'm not a fan of mashed sweet potato. Daytime sweet potato ne, but lena bayimeshileyo. I hope you guys can see. Guess what? I'm almost full. I am almost full. Aibo. Defeated just like that. Wow. I think it's dinner. What is yo.
I put some ice on you 'cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Got it, that ass catch it, need no clothes. High fashion, like oh yeah, G-Wagon or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Got that ass to the floor.
Good morning, guys. Good day, because it's already 12:15. So, good day, guys. It's the following day. I am home for now because I have to wait for the delivery guys to get here so that they can deliver the washing machine, which is quite annoying because this means I can't go anywhere before they get here. Otherwise, I'm not gonna get it today. I did switch off the camera because people are not so comfortable with, and I was so shy to ask them if they have a problem or not. I was like, no, it's fine. I'm gonna show you guys after. It fits. It fits. Oh yeah, that's cute. Let me take a shower and then I need to go get some cosmetics. I'm not gonna get a lot of things. I'm going to Clicks. I'm not gonna get a lot of things. Trust me, I can control myself. I'm a big girl. Control. I'm gonna go into Clicks and get this and this and that. I'm only gonna get this and this and that, not anything I, yeah. For example, I do have a body lotion. Just an example, I do have a body lotion that I got last month, and I had that body lotion even the previous month. So the one that I got last month, I haven't used it, meaning that I don't need to buy a body lotion this month. That's a banging. Do you get what I'm saying? Yes. Guys, last time I spoke to y'all, I was taking I said I'm gonna take a shower. I did, and then I had to quickly go to the mall. I'm gonna show you guys the things that I got from Clicks. I'm so proud of myself. I got the things that I said I needed. Well, I did get one that I did not have in mind, but at least I'm happy for myself. I'm gonna show you guys that, and then I'm gonna test this washing machine out. I guess Sana, guys. I went to H&M, right? I went to H&M, and when I got there, I was seeing this jacket, but I couldn't reach it because it be peso. So I couldn't reach the jacket. So I scout this lady, like she was busy with the jacket. So she took the jacket. The way she was dressed, it was as if like she works there. Hear me out, guys. The way she was dressed, It was as if usebenza pha. Okay, fine. I then see that, okay, she's going back to where the jackets are, and I was looking for someone to help me, like just to help me with the jackets, just to help me get a small for that jacket. And I was like, oh, I think I pangela up. So I go to her while she was putting back the jacket on, and then I'm like, hi. She puts the jacket back on. Oh, no, okay. No one pants. Let me raise my voice. Hi. She turns back and looks at me, and then she was like, oh, she turns back and looks at me. Then I'm like, can you help me get a small? Then she was like, her response was, Anpangilapa, I'm not working here. The way my face was the face she was giving me. I'm not working here. Not working here. She fixed her hair, placed the jacket back on. She vibed. I was like, okay, I'm sorry, but I didn't mean to be rude, if they're rude. And now the kind of energy like she was rude, she was rude because I was just asking, yeah, I know I'm short, so you can reach the jacket, can't you just help me get a small? Then sana and there was no one power kwa H&M, guys. I was so annoyed. There was no one. Okay, fine. I went to the till. Then the lady that was helping me there went to go get the jacket for me. I got the small jacket. Fine. Then when I went to another store after that. When I got to the store, there she is. Oh, she's working here, not at H&M. She's working here. So I was not crazy when I was thinking that she's working somewhere here. No, I'm annoyed because why? Okay, am I too nice, guys? Because if it was me, I would have just given you the thing. Because I can see that you can't reach. And then when you ask me other things, then I'll be like, no, I don't work here. I've been in such situations whereby someone will think, I work there. I've never been rude. I can't need you, but I don't work here. Hi. But I'm just telling you guys, people are dealing with a lot of things, so I don't know, maybe she was just not having a good day. But yeah, it's best to talk to someone. Do you work here? I feel like, and not have just assumed. I don't know why. Serious, I don't know why. And it's the way you pay your money. You know when someone is taking something from this side and placing it on the other side, for sure when you're seeing someone do that, you're going to be like, okay, this person is working here. Never mind the fact that, okay, I don't see a H&M tag, but automatically your mind is going to be like, oh, she's sorting these things out or something. Let me show you the things I got. It was so bad, guys. Time went by so fast. I was on the phone with my mom, but these are the things that I got from Clicks. I'm gonna show you the things. I'm gonna show you the ones that excite me. Otherwise, others are just things that I normally buy every month. This is the rosemary hair strengthening oil, and then I got this thinking that it's a moisturizer, but I think it's a conditioner by the look of things, because it's saying you can leave in for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse thoroughly after. I'm trying it for the first time. I'm trying these for the first time. I'm so excited about this one, but I'm gonna get back to you guys about how this works for me and what it does exactly. I don't want to say things that I don't know of now. My mom is calling again. Otherwise, those are the things that I got, guys. The roller, ooh, Ephonia, and then I'm trying this moisturizer.
Sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees, they really had to talk beside. I'm in that 8 and then one of the two is different priority. I try to pay all your loans, so I'll pick up you a driver.
Hey guys, it's the next day. I didn't talk to you guys the whole day today. I was so busy, I didn't even have time. But I'm going out on a date with a friend, and I'm running a little late. I just ran out of time. Like literally, I just ran out of time. So right now I'm going there. I don't know where. This is so difficult. I don't know where I'm gonna put you guys. But Sana, I'm taking my girls with me. Because I'm carrying this bag, the one I was carrying on for the birthday shoot. So, ooh, I feel like I'm too light. It's a lot, Nje. Yeah. Let me go. I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get there because I'm late. You guys, this place is so gorgeous. I'm here for the first time. Please don't mind the lighting. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this light, but yeah.
You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Hey. Self-control is never been your thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a rod. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the rocks. How the fuck you keep so many seats? How you going vegan but still beat film weekend? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't compete. I see it back in church, remember we took it at first. Get it, got you a whip, when you got back on the shit. I had to tell Eric, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Ooh, shawty, you try getting voice getting filled with entitlement.
I am back home and I'm getting ready for bed. Removing this weave would give me a very peaceful night.
Tell me those lies. Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why is stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep saying.
I just did 2 get readies, almost 10 to 11. I am tired, I'm sleepy. I'm tired.
Say your problems never needed solving. I was too good to
I'm gonna take my girl, the makeup artist, for today's look somewhere on the screen.
you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja, deja.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my
Yeah, before I go to bed, guys, my friend gifted me with this. It's my first time getting this. I don't even know how it wears. Yeah, thank you, Toki baby. Thank you so much. This is so nice. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Today was such a productive day. Guys, is it true, like, for those who have been watching my channel for a long time, like, when you guys watched me back then, do you guys think that I was lonely? Do you guys think I was lonely? When I'd come back, like, from the movies, for example, when I come back from the movies and be like, yo, I saw people there, I'm on the way, couple, and I don't know if you guys remember that vlog. Was I lonely? Because people tell me Dandy lonely. What Dandy lonely? I don't think Dandy lonely now. Okay, yes, I did have my days whereby none can be lonely, but I enjoyed my space. Okay, I enjoyed my space.
we both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. Should leave it alone, but you're still getting worse. And we both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All this going on. Are you on your way? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger she don't need to know. It's going on and won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
How's that? You are back. You are back.
I'm back here. Your man is here,
My lover is here.
and you've got a driver now.
Yes.
When your man is around, you have a driver. Yeah?
I have a driver.
You don't use Uber.
No. What's that?
Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger.
Guys, it's been a long day. When I get home, I'm gonna unbox a mirror. I got a mirror. Finally, I've been wanting a mirror. Like a big mirror. Then, right now we are going to Woolies just to get some fruit for later on. We are back home, babe. We're back home, and your girl got some flowers From her lover, I got my open flowers. How gorgeous. Why let you in the dark? Gorgeous flowers for a gorgeous girl. Then we have a purple haul. So I got these ice trays. The round ones. And then these ones as well. These were very affordable. I'm not one to like share prices and stuff. I don't know. If you know me, most of the time I share prices when like family don't need for many is a sale, and then I'll be like, okay, it was this price, I got it for this price. Otherwise, it's not my thing. And then I got a measuring jar. This is how it looks. And then I got these measuring cups and measuring spoons. I would have loved a black on these, but then they didn't have like just black, like a simple color. They had this in these colors, of which I don't mind that much. I really don't mind that much, as long as they will get the work done. That's it for Pep. Let's go to Woolies. Before going to Woolies, this is what I got from Builders for the sliding doors, and I'm gonna also use this for the shower. I feel like this is gonna help me a lot because I know I was struggling. So yeah, I got this from Builders. I've been looking for one. I think I have money too. Then I got this cleaning brush. Okay, so I think you put water here. I don't know, son. Long overdue. I needed this so much, but yeah, I finally got them. Strawberries, mixed berries, and then we got this set because we needed the nail cutter, but then I was like, okay, I do also need the other things. This one is gonna be for my purse, and then this one is gonna be for the house. So yeah, I got this from Woolworths. And then I got this beautiful lipstick from Woolworths. It's a long wear lipstick in the shade Chalk Mousse. And then I got this setting spray. A fave, guys. I think I should just stock this up. Then we got some berry muesli. Hi babe, the coconut. Did I say coconut? Sure, I didn't want coconut. Yo. Ish, guys. And that's back victim sometimes and don't last John card. Got some honey. This is gonna last me about 2 months. I'm so annoyed. Why did I say coconuts? Oh. Lastly, bananas. I got this foot mask. But then I wanted the Clicks one. The one that's trending on TikTok. Jonga. Nantenge Donia Ban Skin Republic. I wanted the Clicks one. Lady Amyongas and that's no one like your chong. This is the mirror, you guys. It's so tall. Taller than me. I don't know. I'm gonna see when Divula. I wasn't expecting it to be this. What do you call it? So this thin. I was expecting it to be more wider. But nonetheless, I am happy. I am happy that I finally got a mirror. I just wanted a mirror, and I did find someone on Instagram that like does these mirrors, but then he's in Joburg, and Sana, the delivery costs are too high. At least if he was here in Cape Town, then I feel like the delivery was not going to be that expensive. Containers can go breakfast. Jonga mna bengiqhela uthenga le ibe yi-1 because bengayisebenzisi kakhulu. Ke ndahamba nje. Yo, andisayoyika le nto jonga isisu sam siyoyika because kaloku ndiyibalile sani but iphi ke ngoku? Iphi ke ngoku?
Hayi kodwa ungayisela noba ayikho.
Ewe ndizixolise ngale uba ndizawunantsika apha late kufuneke ndive ndiyoyijonga.
Uzihlambe zibane soil.
Ndiyazibona nje kwazona azikho clean. Batsho nabo rinse before use. Yo mami sisi ndithi ndilala impahla idraya sisi.
Umuntu nguwe yo-active le machine guys.
Yo, hayi sisi. Ndilala impahla idraya sisi ndivuke ekuseni ndiyikhuphe. Three, 4, 5, 6. Kuthiwe 6 ke ma?
Right. Right, because uzoyenza isibe strong ikudike.
Ndicinga loo nto. Yeah. Some celery. Wena mami undincede kakhulu ngala TikTok ka Pick n Pay sana.
Yo sani kuthiwa i-veg cheap emva kwexesha elithile napha everyday.
Yo, ndiqonde ukuba kaloku singaba thina simane siyokongeza every week. You understand? Especially fruits. Ne-veg le. Hayi sisizolo
Kaba nami ndizawumane ndiyokujonga phaa ke ngoku namhlathi ndiyazi uba kuthiwa ziyehla.
Ewe. Izolo ndithi bendidlula kwii-aisle zee-biscuits neentoni nje.
Ungazijongi, ungazihoyi.
Tshini, sandibulela le nto uba le nto kalo ndiyiqale after i-period so andinazi cravings zingabhadlanga.
Say hi. Uthethe lokhu lapha. Thethe.
Ulanga unqabile sana, akasandithandi as a sister.
Lapho usithi ndithi makathi hayi uthi
Iwesi uba ndiboni nakakuhle ke nam.
lana ke uthenge uGranny Smith ke next time.
Iapile ne?
Ibhalwe uGranny Smith.
Iba khona kuzo zonke ezi venkile okanye?
Iba khona. Ili-green ukogqitha leyo i-golden le.
Ewe lena i-golden le bendingayiboni tu ke sana e-green ndaqonda. This is what is close to what I'm looking for.
Uyabona uba ndiyazazi ndiyazicula.
Injalo sana. Uyazicula sana.
uGranny Smith unala taste xa uluma. Abe muncu, aphinde abe ngathi sweet kancane.
Kubalekisa indlathi.
Abe khona ovele abe mnandi zikhapha. Hayi i-red apples ungazithenga kaloku xa uzikhalele nazo usitya uzenze. Mna ndiyaxuba ndithenga uGranny no-red, asoze u-red ndimyeke ke.
Ndiyakuva sana. Zawutya sona apha emini nje uba ndisitya lena ngoku. Apha emini ndizakhipha i-protein smoothie. Ndiza kubonisa lethi uba ndizabe ndipheke ntoni ke sana.
Okay ke sis.
Healthy gal.
You go girl.
Sabi. Ndizawulayita iblender ke ngoku.
Hayi ndingxolela wena. Ufika apha uthenga into ongakhange.
Tshini? Uyibona uba le nto lena ayizukunceda kwanganto le.
Ihlala ingasebenzi kwalapha efriji uba yeyefriji.
Uyayiva?
Oba yenze kanti.
Hey. Hayi sisi, ndithi kunuka iminti apha. Hey. Ndiyaxelela. Hey. Oh. Yho, thiza wam. Hey. Xa ndive ndiyoyike kwangoku. Oh, isisu sinezimbo kodwa.
Kodwa yazi uba loo nto athi I don't think mna.
Yho, ndisendayoyika sana.
Isani i-fish fingers sekula 59 rand sithengeza i-2.
Isani kwaCheckers.
Checkers sekula 59 rand.
But khange ndizijonge kozijonga mna eyam idayethi ayinakwanto ethi fish finger.
Hayi lana kaloku uyifaka phaa kulaa green salad.
Why sani akho kwanto ithe fish finger? Ndathi I'm not buying anything ezabe isitsho kwesisi.
Melissa ngothenga
Hayi sani idayethi yam ayithi mandithenge i-fish fingers sani. Yho. Come again, guys. See, taste. This is
I'm
my
tasting with you, okay?
detox drink. Ingasendiyisele ngestraw andazi. I feel like istraw sizandika
Uzayiva ivise iqoqoze
Hayi son. It
isistraw sizakwenza uba uyive
inantsika intona i-detox drink mostly iphinde ithi i-burn stomach fat.
yeah
Yo, but stomach fat nje sani nawo hayi ndiyazithanda
Kawuse unaso istomach fat naso uyisisako ngoku
Aso stomach fat nabi.
Shit.
Awusadiki mami. Yo.
Uthi sisiswesi. Shit.
Hayi guys. Makeup mami. But uyayibona minjani apha kuwe ne?
Yeah, Davon.
Hayi ke ukubabi kwawena xa uve uthi yo kunuka amagqabi kunuka amagqabi inuka kamandi inuka healthy like i-fresh it's fresh.
Uyisele kaloku kancinci then uyiva ithini. It's not bad.
Hi guys, it's not bad.
Cha ayina-taste isweet cha.
And ke ngoku andiyiqelanga.
It's
not bad.
Uzayisela oko ke kana uzuva and also lala kubalulekile into yoba usele leyo mhlawumbi for a week kwelandela iveki usela enye because zininzi ezi zinto kwelandela usela enye so that utshintshe i-taste ungadibwa ibe yi-one ude uthi yekile uyayibona
Unyanisile.
Kule veki isela enye kwelandela iveki usele enye umane uzitshintsha kanjani ungazi ezi zithi zezisisu uyayibona.
Hi guys, this is not bad.
Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. But my heart when is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through.
Guys, it's a day later. It's Wednesday. I am so in love. Do you guys see what I'm saying? No. No. Yeah, I'm happy with how this makeup came out. I look like a girl, I look like a doll. But I'm hungry, Sana. I'm so hungry. Guys, I think I'm improving like on how I'm doing my makeup and I am so proud. Yeah, every day you get to learn something. Yeah. I'm so annoyed because Sana, these strip lashes gave me such a hard time. Yo, they gave me such a hard time. So in love with my short hair, girl. Guys, it's later. I'm not feeling well at all. I am not feeling well at all this time. But right after I switched off the camera, I started to feel that something is not it. So I just don't know. I recently tried this moisturizer. So far so good. I hate the way I'm feeling. And what's annoying is I can't explain how I'm feeling. Now it feels like a stomach ache, but earlier it was feeling like a heartburn. I speak healing upon my life, son. In Jesus' name, amen. Yo, even my eyes. I'm not even going to open that mirror, Sana. It can wait. At least I did upload a video today. On my platforms, please do follow me on TikTok and Instagram if you don't already. Guys, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna call it a night. Good morning. Good morning, guys. I am feeling much better this morning. My shake era, in my smoothie shake, weight loss drinks. I got this from Clicks. Sana idurulendo. Idurulendo. Yeah, but then I was like, okay, I do need it because I'm so committed to trying by all means to eat clean. Yeah, it's not easy. It is not easy. It's not easy. Even though I'm not like craving, you know, when you're on your period and you're craving your kindonje, I'm not craving anything. Not to say I'm on my period, but like I'm not craving anything, but because I know that I'm not supposed to eat something, then there's a campaign I'm working on with a brand. I'm so excited. I thank God. It can only be God, Gesana. It can only be God, Gesana. I am so happy and grateful. I'm sure you guys are gonna see it sometime next week, so please do show some love for you, bro. To follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe as well. You guys are so sweet, like messaging me and like commenting on my videos that when are you dropping a vlog? It's coming, okay? So yeah, we are dropping a vlog for the girls this Sunday. This vlog is gonna go up this Sunday.
Catch up around me, nigga, ain't a plan, but I'm coming for the kitty, got my folk goddamn. Do it for my nigga.
Okay, so we're gonna unbox the mirror now, and guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. If you didn't subscribe, please do subscribe or like or comment. I would highly appreciate it. I'm gonna see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.